Our next innovator on Samsung Innovation Quotient is Himanshu Sheth. A marketing consultant, Himanshu has been developing solutions to replace the timber used in steel plants for transportation and shipping of steel. With India's steel industry being the third largest in the world, an estimated 4 lakh trees are required each year to sustain its packaging needs alone. The current mode of shipment for steel is both inordinately cumbersome as well as highly unsustainable.
I responded to a call by Tata Steel. At some point of time, they approached a company that I was working for and asked them to provide a solution and a substitute for timber logs that they were using for shipment of their flat products. Once I started looking into this whole subject up close, then I realized that industries in India and elsewhere soon will have to stop using timber log for supporting steel sheets, plates and coils that they do now, because timber supply, of course, is going to be under question mark very soon.
Koya Atlas is a product made of bamboo and jute, which are meant to replace the timber used during the packaging of steel for transportation. Cross sections of bamboo are placed in a row and enveloped in layers of jute fabric to create this imitation of wood log.
Timber logs can create just the gap. They cannot provide strong hold, frictional hold to the load that it's put on it. Whereas Koya Atlas is made of jute. The external surface of Koya Atlas is a jute fabric. And jute being a natural fiber, it provides a very strong and good frictional hold to the load that is put on it. So mishaps would be minimized, and that would be a great saving for industries.
One of Himanshu's key concerns while starting his venture was the availability of skilled labor, a problem that was readily mitigated by the local women in the community.
जब यहाँ पे काम किए तो जब पॉकेट मनी आने लगा तो पापा को ना बोल के अपने ही पैसे से अपना बुक खरीदना, कॉलेज का जैसे बस का भाड़ा देना, हर चीज, जैसे कि कोई भी चीज होता तो उससे मेरे को पहले पापा से मांगना पड़ता था, तो पापा को भी फिर जरूरत पड़ने से बुक का पैसा सब कुछ देना पड़ता, तो वो अब पापा से नहीं मांगना पड़ता, अब हम अपने ही पॉकेट मनी से वो चीज खरीदते हैं।
आसान है, जो सीखने वाला है वो जल्दी से सीख लेता, जो नहीं है तो उसके थोड़ा टाइम लगता, लेकिन वो लोग सीख लेता, ऐसा नहीं जो सीख नहीं पाएगा नहीं काम करेगा।
For a single-person venture, Himanshu believes that Koya Atlas has indeed come a long way. Having started with an initial investment of about 2 lakhs, Himanshu's innovation today is protected with patents on both product and process. Koya Atlas is today priced at 35 rupees for a piece measuring 300 millimeters. He attributes much of this success to his family.
कभी-कभी चीजें आगे नहीं बढ़ती है ना, तो लगता है कि क्या हो रहा है, अब क्या करेंगे, आगे हम लोग का क्या होगा, लेकिन बोलते नहीं होगा, थोड़े से हम लोग अर्ली है लग रहा है, लेकिन होगा आस्ते आस्ते आस्ते, और अब लग रहा है कि वो फ्रूट आ रहा है।
Today, Koya Atlas boasts of validation from companies such as Tata Steel, JSW, among others who have tried and testified to the product's value. Going forward, Himanshu's vision is to scale up his innovation in a manner that would significantly impact the environment and help build a sustainable framework for shipment of industrial goods.